In August 2024, Bandai is set to release the high-grade 172 SIRBINE special coating version, a premium model in the Aura Battler Dunbine line. If you're not familiar with Aura Battler Dunbine, it's a series featuring 172 scale model kits based on characters and mechs from the anime of the same name. Notable models in this line include the high-grade Dunbine, high-grade Viren V, and high-grade Leprechaun. The upcoming high-grade 172 SIRBINE special coating differs from the previous version only in its special coating. This version stands out with its special finish, giving the model a metallic sheen and enhancing the details, especially the gold accents on its body. The SIRBINE comes equipped with various accessories, including the Aura Sword and a shield, giving it a powerful and majestic appearance. Its intricate details are highlighted by the use of separate plastic parts, accurately recreating complex patterns. Additionally, the model is designed with articulated joints, allowing for a wide range of dynamic poses. The special coating not only provides a shiny and reflective surface, but also enhances the model's aesthetic appeal and collectible value. This model is a perfect choice for fans of the Aura Battler Dunbine series and collectors of high-end model kits.